Hey guys, Wayne here from Tech Made Easy. Today I want to show you how to reset your LG Fortune back to factory settings. The first thing you want to do is go to your settings app. We're going to go to the general tab, go down to accounts, tap on your Google account, and we're going to hit the three dots in the corner here and hit remove and remove. So you always want to remove any and all Google accounts that are on the phone before your factory reset, because if not, it will Google lock the phone and basically make it harder for the next person who uses the phone to sign into their account, because you will have to have the password of the last Google account on the phone. Now that that's done, we can scroll down, go to backup and reset, go down to factory data reset, and then you go to reset phone. Once you do this, it's going to go right into the mode, delete all, reset, and that's it. At this point, the phone is going to reset a couple of times. It's going to erase all of your information off of the phone, and then it's going to set it up like brand new. So at this point, don't touch the phone, just let it go through the reset process, and you'll know that it's finished, because on the final screen, it will ask you to select the language. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Take care and have a good one.